Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add staff on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on shopify.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections, the home section, orders, products. You're going to find customers, content, analytics, and here you're going to find marketing and discounts. Right under it, you're going to find your sales channels, where you're going to find your online store and also point of sales. And lastly, here you're going to find your applications. So go here to the bottom, click on settings, and once you do that, right here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find general, plan, buy link, and right under it, you're going to find users and permissions. Go ahead and click on it. And after that, here you're going to find the permissions. Right here, as you can see, guys, you can transfer your ownership. And here under it, you're going to find staff accounts. Select a subscription plan that includes additional staff accounts and control who can do what. So, first of all, you need to have a plan that includes the additional staff account option. And then you're going to be able to add staff accounts right here. So we're going to click on compare plans. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can get the Shopify plan that includes the option to add more staff accounts. Once you do that, you're going to be able to add staff to your account. Right here, also, you're going to find the collaborators settings. Give external designers, developers, and marketers access to your Shopify admin. You can either choose anyone can send a collaborator request or only people with a collaborator request code can send a collaborator request. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.